Advanced groups in ArmoniaPlus allow quick control of multiple loudspeakers within a system. But what if we have multiple systems sharing the same source throughout a facility and global control is needed within the project? ArmoniaPlus now offers the addition of global groups to handle just this issue. Within this video, we will explain how to add and use global groups in a project. In the following example, we will be referencing a design based off an existing project named Install2. Found across the top section of the workspace, we can view our multiple workspaces by clicking here on the amplifiers workspace or here on the speakers workspace. Multiple workspaces can be created when the user has a project that expands an entire building. In this example, we're using a house of worship facility. Adding multiple workspaces is essential for quick control and access to a particular area, while at the same time keeping organization within your ArmoniaPlus project. Here you can see we have added multiple speaker workspaces. Let's view the theater. We can also quickly access and view the reception and lastly, the nursery. Let's now move back to our auditorium and add an advanced group. To do this, we select Add found here below and choose Groups, Advanced Group. A global advanced or basic group will populate and live within the global tray of the workspace. It will allow the user to assign any loudspeaker linked to an appropriate amplifier from all created workspaces. Standard advanced groups and array groups will populate and live within the selected workspace only. They can be assigned to any loudspeaker linked to the appropriate amplifier. It is important to note that not all amplifiers support advanced groups due to their DSP capabilities. This applies to all non-DSP and mezzo series amplifiers. All advanced and array groups control mute, gain, EQ, polarity and delay, while basic group only control mute and gain. Let's now assign the loudspeakers for the auditorium workspace to our newly created global advanced group. To do this, we simply select Assign found underneath the advanced group. Now, assign all the loudspeakers within the auditorium workspace by selecting each loudspeaker individually or by left-click drag and highlighting all the loudspeakers within the auditorium workspace. All loudspeakers will turn green, indicating that they are now assigned to the global advanced group. We will now move to the theater workspace by clicking on our speakers workspace and selecting theater. Let's repeat the process and assign all loudspeakers within the theater workspace to our advanced global group. Once complete, select Assigning underneath the advanced group. We can now rename the advanced group by clicking here. Let's call this Main. With global groups, the user can quickly mute and attenuate multiple workspaces from a single location within ArmoniaPlus. It gives users direct access to all loudspeakers that are linked to that group. However, global groups can also be destructive. As an example, the user has control of an overall house EQ, which may or may not be the correct way to handle large format systems depending on application and user experience. The addition of global groups adds a great deal of flexibility for the user within the ArmoniaPlus platform. Top this with a great design, and it's a sure way to allow quick and creative control of any Powersoft installed application.